Hi guys, this is Sunny Singh and you're watching me on Times Follow.
Hi guys, this is Stuti. You're watching us on Follow, and with me there is Sunny Singh
Hello, what's up?
and Nadir Ali, who's the owner of Bodyholics.
And
So
we are in Bodyholics and you're gonna work out today.
no, I'm not. But yes, we all desire bodies like celebrities. So to teach us how to train like a celebrity.
So this is my gym where I work out, Bodyholics, as you can see. So I'm थोड़ा सा आगे जा रहा हूँ और this is the bar where we eat, and the guy standing there is the man behind this gym, Mr. Nadir Ali.
Hi. We're starting with 4 exercises. So we're gonna do like a minute 4. Okay. So we have some 4 exercises, then mobility stretches. Then we go for the workout. Okay.
So we're gonna do pull-ups. This is the second exercise. What we're doing is push-ups. Come and watch how we do. So what we're shooting right now, it's an advice. Don't try this at home. It's very serious. Injury हो सकती है. It's very risky. So please don't try it.
It's one of the best exercise for maximum calories and in a small time. Okay. Because you're using full body muscles.
How do you warm up to start with? I mean, how do you start your day every day?
See, when you come here, we get so positive vibes. As in, when the music is superb, the guy who's behind this gym is Nadir Ali. He's more like a big brother to me. Not even the workout, in personal life also, he's always there. And he's the one who teaches me like anything. He comes up with new calisthenic workout, new functional training and everything. I actually got to know about this gym from Insta. कि मैं इंस्टा पे जाता था, मैं नए नए पोस्ट देखता था, like who the hell is this guy? Nadir Ali and Abbas Ali are the man who's behind the gym. So I used to see their posts, they used to work out like anything. And the best part about these guys are they're very down to earth, and today they are celebs. So the best part is they're always there for you professionally, personally. Even if I message them in the night at 1:30 or 2, even if I'm at a party or an event, if I message them like, dude, I skipped this meal and what to do, they're always there. That's what makes you a better person and a good person. When you come here, you get positive vibes. You listen to the music, you talk to them, you're more like brothers to us. So we get motivated और फिर हम ज़्यादा अच्छा वर्कआउट करते हैं और मस्ती भी करते हैं, हम डांस भी करते हैं. तो जैसे आपने देखा जो भी हमारा वर्कआउट हुआ, they don't let you cheat or skip any workout. If you come here, you have to go through the pain.
Okay, to have a body like a celebrity, it's easy. The only thing is you need to work hard, be disciplined, as I said, and have patience. Okay, before that, before planning your diet and your nutrition, make sure you do some blood tests like complete blood test, liver test, cholesterol test, thyroid, if you have any hormone imbalancement, PCOD, uric acid, and if you think something else need to go in. So when you know what's happening inside you, okay, like example, like if you have any deficiency in vitamin or mineral, your growth slow down, you will not see any progression. So you need to know what's happening inside. Accordingly, you consult with a physician, you fix yourself there, and then accordingly your training and nutrition plans. So if someone have injury, what happens? You have to go to a doctor, then physio, then you come to a trainer. So there is a step by step for everything. So there are like 5 stages in fitness: illness, wellness, fitness, performance, GPP, general physical preparedness, where Marines and athletes are. They are mentally, physically, emotionally prepared to do any kind of task. So where do you stand? Are you ill or well? If you're well, you need to be fit, then performance level, then there. So everything has to be changed step by step. When I'm at wellness, I need to have a certain diet plan and training plan where it will take me on a fitness level. From there, it has to take another level. So every stage, my nutrition and training will change. So first, know what happening inside. So your diet is made accordingly. If someone have any thyroid or something, so best of best nutrition can be a hurdle. So you have to replace it with something else. So you need to have awareness more than you just starting blindly. Okay, so you need a good coach who will guide you well and make sure that he will take you on another level.
What I think is you should stop having artificial stuff. You should stop having. You should not smoke. You should drink, because if you do that, you're gonna ruin your body. और आप अगर आप वो सब चीज़ें करते हो तो आप जिम नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि उससे स्टेमिना कम होता है, और स्टेमिना कम होता है तो बॉडी नहीं बनती है. और अगर बॉडी बनानी है तो तुम्हें नेचुरल खाना पड़ेगा. कीप डूइंग दैट कैन कीप motivating each other at the same time and do lots and lots of breath.
Yeah, and as you said, no artificial food means nature has provided everything for us to heal, repair, recover and grow. So when we are training, we are just damaging and adapting that environment. So what happens when you step out of the gym where you're eating, you're repairing. So make sure your quality food comes in which will repair you faster. Okay, it's not like I eat burger. So if I eat like a garbage, I become like a garbage. So quality food will work on each of your cell of the body. So what happens? Quality food, quantity, it doesn't mean you're gonna hog on it. So my repair will happen like that. When I sleep on time, which is the night sleep, not like I sleep at 4 o'clock and wake up late where I cover up 6 to 8 hours. That doesn't work. So you have to sleep early, wake up early. So your sleep will decide your recovery. So the faster you recover and repair, your growth will become faster. So if you really want to see your faster result, so you train hard, eat correct, and you sleep on time. So when your lifestyle
Can
is
cheat a
correct-
day?
Depends. Cheat depends, and the quantity.
If I feel like having a pizza or burger someday,
No, that I'll decide. You will not decide.
He will decide and
Okay,
let me.
I'll decide that. So I'm the boss here, so that's how it goes.
तो आज अगर मैं थोड़ा सा खा लूँ तो
No, it doesn't work. It's gonna come as a hurdle. Like when you're programming anything, make sure either it's a 12 weeks or 16 weeks, you'll not cheat. Okay? There were times where people used to say, okay, Saturday or Sunday is my cheat day. People used to walk every day. It doesn't work like that. Cheat day means a quality carb which you fuel yourself with the quantity. As I said, quantity matters. I eat, if I want, I can eat anything. But I eat a small piece in that day will be one meal. Okay? That's it. So it's not like as you
Cheating in a way.
Pizza will not help me to perform better or recover or have a great body. Maybe I'll cheat it, that I'll decide where to reach first.
as I said, like an elder brother, he's always there. And he's an elder brother, the eldest, so he's always there to help us and motivate us whenever I call him in the night. So Mr. Basili is always there to help.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
No,
much.
no, but you should actually know whom all does he train. So Abbas, please tell us whom all do you actually train from this celebrity?
I've trained almost everybody from, to start with Shilpa Shetty, this is like from 12, 14 years back to Shahid Kapoor, Sonakshi to Anil Ambani, and a lot of people. Basically, I train people who are willing to give me that 100%. So I don't entertain lazy people who love their comfort.
You should tell us how easy or difficult it is to train a celebrity.
See, training a celebrity is to do with discipline. Today, celebs are very disciplined when it comes to getting into a character, getting into a shape, because there's a lot of competition. The only thing you need when training a celebrity is consistency in pushing them, motivating them, getting them out of that comfort zone, which is actually not a comfort zone. It's that end of the day when they are tired after shooting, after going through all the shows and shoots and stuff. So that's where the challenge comes. When it comes to training them, that's where the challenge comes. Sunny knows the lifestyle. Sunny has just started. He's just got into that whole.
Yeah, I just
So-
got into it and I met him. I told you I got to know about bodybuilding and stuff because every other day there was a new post, and the way they used to work out, it was too good. I also wanted to work out in a way, and I love calisthenics, so they are the master of everything. As they have calisthenics, functional, whatever you talk, it's all there in this gym.
You need to inspire our audience. So say one thing each that our fans, your fans gets inspired.
I just told her sometime back that if you want to be fit, if you want to live healthy, ask your parents, ask your grandparents. I'm 41. 20 years back when I used to live with my parents, that was the best lifestyle I had in terms of sleeping on time, waking up on time, eating just 4 meals a day on time, breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. We all were healthy. That was the best era in terms of health and wellness for our nation, for us, comparing to what this generation is going through. You know what I mean? I know girls from age 17 to 40 have the same hormone issues. I know guys at the age of 20 suffering from low back weaknesses, knee weaknesses and muscle weaknesses. This is how not our parents were. Our grandfathers were stronger, faster. Our grandmother were faster, stronger. They used to sit down, cook. They used to do basic activity, which were more functional than what we do. So stay healthy, stay fit, listen to your grandparents.
And don't eat artificial stuff, and don't smoke it.
Yes. Basically, don't eat food-like products. 80% of the food what we have today in supermarkets and stores is man-made food. So eat real food, even if it's a slice of cheese, banana, peanuts. These are healthy. Good fat doesn't make you fat. Okay. So do your research. Be active.
आप देख सकते हैं ये बार है, बट यहाँ शराब नहीं मिलती, मिलता है प्रोटीन बार. And Nadu, are you going to talk about what we actually do here? What we also have chatting and everything.
They want to know real stuff what we do.
बताइए.
जो भी आपने देखा है हम लोग की ट्रेनिंग में, इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड, जहाँ पे आप एंड्योरेंस ट्रेनिंग होती है जिसमें आप मैक्सिमम कैलोरी बर्न करते हो टू गेट बैक इन शेप. स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट टुडे व्हाट वी डिड वाज मोर ऑफ एंड्योरेंस. तो डैमेज तो काफ़ी हो चुका है, अभी रिपेयर करने का टाइम है. तो हम यहाँ पे बाहर पे बैठे हैं.
You can see यहाँ पे protein shakes and whatever you want. You need biscuits, you can get everything.
Protein
and
biscuits.
you also we have superheroes here जिनको देख के हम motivate होते हैं.